Hey guys, it's Shay with Priority Roofing, and I just wanted to give you some insight on this metal roof here. It is a 24 gauge max rib style panel, and it's installed into the purlins underneath, which really means there's not a lot of 2x4s, cross beams, 4x8 stability. It's just installed directly into the beam, so you have these gaps over here, which a lot of times can cause leaks if the screws and seams are not sealed properly. And so you can see they've done a lot of patchwork here. They've overlaid some of these panels, but a lot of the seams are just left exposed, as well as some of this flap here. And so anytime that you have leaks in your metal roof, most of the time it's going to be your screws or your seams. And so I wanted to walk you up in this direction as well. They have these old clear panels. I call them skylight panels, but they're just this clear kind of fiberglass style. And so these, a lot of times, although they kind of give you a sky view, these tend to leak, if there's any kind of simple penetration. And so it's just something to look out for if you're having trouble with an old metal roof. Give us a call. We do small repairs like these, just leaks, and obviously we do full replacement. So you guys have a good one.